Simone, the coffee girl here, to show you how to set up an account on our online store. You go to our homepage where you can see all of this information about the coffee van, some of our reviews, featured products, meet Mark, the coffee man. There's links to our YouTube videos which give you tips on how to make great coffee at home, our most popular products, and some new products. But we're interested in registering so we can do easy online shopping. We register, and look at that, I've already got my email address in, but I'm going to put in a new password because, like many people, I forgot my password. And then I'm going to write it down and save it so I can always access my account and always see where my orders are and track everything. If I forget my password, it's okay. There's a password reset thing that you can do at login, and you'll be emailed and get a new password just like that for free. Just putting in the coffee roasting shed's address here, and I'm definitely not a robot. Create account. So we now have an account and I can start shopping. Guys, don't forget, you can always email me, hello@kimberleycoffee.com.au, if you have any dramas. Just don't forget to save your password. Make sure you enter your phone number correctly, because when you do place an order, Australia Post sends you a tracking number, and that will then show you exactly where your shipment is. So don't forget your password and put your number in correctly. Have a great day. I'll be back to you soon.